be your pusher, ayy. I got that good stuff that you want. Let me be your pusher, ayy.